Ready for matcha content? Kaya naman, let's fix the day with matcha. Pumunta kami sa may The Matcha Collective sa may Alabang West Parade and ito yung mga matcha pop-up brands. First up, Go To Matcha. Ito yung menu nila. Medyo expensive pero itsura pa lang ng pop-up nila, expensive looking na talaga. They use 6 grams and we ordered sea salt matcha. Now, taste test, smooth yung pinaka-matcha itself. Try naman natin haluin and guys, grabe, sobrang perfect, sobrang balance lang ng sea salt, hindi overpowering. Next up, Take 5. Umorder kami ng Earl Grey matcha. Maganda rin yung pop-up setup nila. Tapos yung presentation, excellent. Now, tikman naman natin. I tried the matcha itself first. Not that smooth but perfect for flavored matcha. Now, haluin naman natin. For me, overpowering yung Earl Grey. Pero masarap guys. I also tried their classic matcha and worth it na rin sa price. Sobrang dami pang matcha brands dito pero hindi ko na tinry lahat kasi baka mag-caffeine overdose na ako. Pero last stop sa Whisk a Sip. We ordered the sea salt matcha and taste test. Smooth and creamy pero nakulangan lang ako sa pagka-sea salt. Pero overall, masarap guys. Pero kung papipiliin ako, mas pipiliin ko yung Go To Matcha. So yun lang for today's matcha content. Don't forget to like this video. Yun lang, bye-bye!